Hey guys, this is Fundo on Parama. Tonight on Imbewu, Slindile is lost and desperate when the taxi driver leaves on the way and she tries to call Mzwandile, but he is on the bed with Kanyu enjoying their lives. As Zetulele drives Sibongile home, he ran Slindile over and kill her. And Sibongile wants Zetulele to run away and leave the body. But Zetulele called for help. He called Zageti and tell that he killed someone on the way. While Mira vows to Jyoti that she will keep fighting for her legacy from Pranava, and she plans to unsettle her and force her into make a mistake after got that Mira is have a fake pregnancy. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.